jump in and show you guys how to do Claude inside Blender. So I'm already in Claude, of course. Live Claude inside Blender using that. Go to Get Apps and Extensions, so PowerPoint. So it looks like these are all the different types of things that you can add in from desktop, office, mobile. I actually don't want any of that. So let's go here to Claude inside Blender. Ableton, Blender. Always accept the cookies. Why isn't it just in here? Connector. Okay. Where do I find the Blender? No. Customize. Oh, here we go. Okay, so let's go over that one more time. It's kind of hard to find. So you go back, you go to Customize, the top left here, connect your apps, and then look, it's got all these apps. That's pretty fucking crazy. You can add your Google Drive, Canva, Calendar, Gmail, Figma. A friend of mine was telling me Figma is really good in Claude to create decks, but today we're going to do Blender. Let's try that. Natural language interface with Python API and documentation. Perfect. Okay. So Blender MCP offers a natural language interface. An add-on is required to use the MCP server. Please follow the instructions. In order to interact with your Blender session, you need to install a specific add-on. Oh, nice. That's easy. Okay. Let's go to Blender, not that one. My Blender is connected through Steam, so it auto updates. So I always have the newest one. If you don't do that, definitely do that. Great. Okay. And they say just to drag this in. So let's try it. Please enable online access. Okay. System. Operating system network. Allow online access. Okay, let's try it again. Probably didn't work. Check for updates on start. Why not? Yes. Okay. Edit. References. Functions. Oh, sorry. Claude. Add-on. Let's see if it's in here. No. Okay, so it's not through either of those. So I have Blender installed. Okay, so the extension's named Blender. It's not actually installing Blender. Probably just going to want me to close this. Okay. Okay, while we're waiting, let's just try that. I know I'm probably being impatient and doing everything twice, but let's just try it. So now I have the MCP installed. Okay. So I guess that just lets Claude access, sorry, lets Blender access the internet through Claude. And I guess while we're waiting, let's just set up a super simple scene. I'm going to bring in let's just bring in 3D viewport. I thought someone would do this the other day. Basically, you just hold the middle mouse button and drag. Because sometimes it's hard to get to the different view types. Anyway, alright, so, and actually, let me turn on my hotkeys, what it's called. enable. Okay, so it looks like it installed it. So what does it do? Here's what Claude is allowed to do. It's allowed to get blend file data blocks, summaries. Oh my god. That's kind of funny, it needs like permission to do literally everything. Alright, I just want to chat with Claude now. Let's go back to our chat. Okay, MCP and connector installed.
I wish you could have been a fly on the wall when I was 12 years old. Crying on my homework. I would have slit my wrist if it wasn't for rock and roll. Rock and roll. In the spirit of Kennedy's anger, I put a curse on you. You'll always pay me. This is for you.
Okay, so it's going to walk me through it, so let's try that. Just going to set up like a simple workflow. That's what I like to do, 3D view. Get this one rendered.